If this happened to you when you were trying to sign up an Alipay account, don't worry, do this instead. In recent times, I noticed that Alipay has been telling Nigeria users access denied when they are trying to register an Alipay account using Nigeria phone number. So do this instead. So click on other sign up methods and then register with email address. When you finish registering with your email address, then go to inside your account and then add your Nigerian phone number to your account like this. Just go to account, click on settings, then account and security, and voila, you will see where to add mobile number, or in most cases they will already pop up a message for you here. Once you click on account, you'll see where they write mobile number to be added. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oches TV here. If it's your first time of coming across my channel, please consider subscribing to this channel if you are interested in China importation. I bring updates your way each and every other day, guys. So guys, a few weeks ago I dropped a video on how to verify Alipay, So someone dropped a comment there that she's hearing something about Alipay banning Nigerians or Africa from, using the app. I was like, I don't think that's possible because Africa is, I think Africa is one of the largest continents that uses Alipay app for transactions. So I was like, it's not possible. But guess what? When I had my last training, one of my students had issues with registering and verifying the account. So each time she tries to verify, it doesn't bring out the option to verify face or to even verify your passport chip. It will just bring out verify Chinese bank card automatically. She opened another account. She opened a third account. I even helped her, to do it. And at the end of the day, the same issue. So I was like, are they actually going to ban, or have they banned Nigerians from using Alipay because she was using a Nigerian passport, although she was not in Nigeria. So I had to contact Alipay customer service. So I contacted them about it. If they have banned Africa from using, I'll show the chart on the screen, from using Alipay. So they responded and said that they give a fair treatment to everybody, that they have not banned Alipay, and they have not banned Nigerians or Africa from using Alipay, So, but the thing still continued with her. She couldn't, use the app. So until she had to chat customer service as well, Alipay customer service as well. So Alipay customer service told her that it is US and Europe that requires this Chinese bank card to verify their Alipay. So if she leaves Europe, or if she's in the US, if she leaves these two um, places, she will be able to verify Alipay with face verification and with passport chip. But for now, people in Europe and US, the only option available to them is using Chinese bank card for their verification. So, okay, so that's why people have been having this issue. So if you have been experiencing this, just know that is because of your location. If you are in the US and you're experiencing this, maybe because of the war between US and China, maybe the tariff war, maybe that's why Chinese people have stopped US new users. I think some people are also experiencing on verification, like people who already have a verified Alipay account, suddenly it becomes unverified. Even some people in Nigeria. So one of my clients yesterday called me, someone whom I did private training for, We did everything, and she even made purchase from 1688 and Pindodo by herself already. Before you know it, she just contacted me that her Alipay it shows unverified. I was like, what happened? So a lot of things have been going on, but this video, I'm here to let you know that you don't have to panic. If you are in Africa, we are still eligible to use Alipay anytime, any day. Okay, so if you are in the US or Europe, I think the only solution that you have is to use a VPN. I think if you use a VPN to register your account, you'll be able to see the option to verify your face and to verify your passport chip. So that's the solution right now. Or you have to leave you have to leave your location to another location. Maybe you have to come to the UK, or you go to Africa for you to do your verification. So guys, this is what I brought to you today, because I also saw some couple of videos that some people made on this YouTube streets, about Alipay banning Nigerians or the whole Africa from using their app, but that is a lie, because I've confirmed it from the Alipay customer service, and they said no, that we are still eligible to use their platform. Okay, so guys, I hope this video is helpful to you. If you are seeing me for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share it to other people so that they can also, get informed. Okay, so guys, see you in my next video. Bye bye.